I'm leaving behind. But I know there's a reason why I think of the past. I'm just trying to empty my mind. Then I think about you and the times that we spent in the backseat of what I call my Cadillac. All the words that were spoken, they whisped through the air. You promised my heart you'd be mine. All the things that you said, I took as the truth. I thought there would be no more lies, and that's why I say goodbye to the times I thought would never die. Oh, say you will, say you will stay with me tonight. Anything to ease the pain. Say you will, say you will share that morning light. Some things better left the same. You know I never changed. Funny how I like to spend time alone. Sometimes it feels just so right. Sit in the dark, don't answer the phone. Watch the kids make noise through the window outside. Then I think about you, I think about you and the things that you wrote on your word processor. You didn't have the guts to sit in my face. Some things I know